Hello everyone, welcome back to the Mac and PC Prime video. If you're looking for a free and easy video editor for YouTube, social media, school projects, or business videos, then Microsoft Clipchamp is one of the best options available. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through everything you need to know, from creating your first project to exporting a professional-looking video. Even if you've never edited a video before, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll be able to edit with confidence. Let's get started. What is Microsoft Clipchamp? Microsoft Clipchamp is Microsoft's official video editing software. It comes with an intuitive drag-and-drop interface that's perfect for beginners, while still offering powerful editing tools. With Clipchamp, you can trim and split videos, add text and titles, insert transitions, use stock videos, music, and sound effects, record your screen and webcam, add voiceovers, create videos for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and more. Export videos in high quality. The best part? Many features are available for free. Creating your first project. After opening Clipchamp, click Create a new video. You'll now see the editing workspace. The interface is divided into 4 main areas. Media panel. This is where you'll import videos, images, music, and other assets. Preview window. Here you can watch your edits before exporting. Timeline. This is where you'll arrange and edit your clips. Toolbar contains editing options like text, transitions, effects, filters, and more. Take a few seconds to familiarize yourself with the layout. Importing media. Click Import Media. Select videos, photos, or audio files from your computer. You can also drag and drop files directly into Clipchamp. Once imported, drag your clips onto the timeline. Arrange them in the order you want your video to play. Basic editing. Let's learn the essential editing tools. Trimming. Click a clip, drag either edge inward to remove unwanted parts. Splitting. Move the playhead to the point where you want to cut. Click the split button or use the keyboard shortcut. Now you can delete unwanted sections. Rearranging clips. Simply drag clips left or right on the timeline. Zooming the timeline. Use the zoom controls to edit more precisely. These basic tools are enough to create most simple videos. Adding text. Click the Text tab. Choose a title style, drag it onto the timeline. Customize text, font, size, color, position, duration. Titles help make your videos look more professional and engaging. Adding transitions. Transitions make your video flow smoothly between clips. Open the Transitions panel. Drag your favorite transition between 2 clips. Popular options include fade, dissolve, slide, wipe. Avoid overusing transitions. Simple transitions usually look more professional. Music and audio. Click Content Library, browse. Background music, sound effects, stock audio, drag music onto the timeline. Lower the music volume so viewers can clearly hear your voice. You can also trim audio just like video clips. Voiceover and screen recording. Clipchamp also includes recording tools. Click Record and Create. You can record your screen, record your webcam, record both simultaneously. Create AI voiceovers, where available. These tools are perfect for tutorials, presentations, and online courses. Effects and filters. Select a clip. Choose filters to adjust the overall look. Use effects to add visual enhancements. You can also adjust brightness, increase contrast, change saturation, modify exposure, rotate and crop videos. Use these adjustments subtly for a clean, professional appearance. Stickers, graphics, and overlays. Clipchamp includes built-in animated stickers, shapes, icons, frames, GIFs. These are useful for educational videos, presentations, and social media content. Don't overload your video. Use graphics only when they add value. Exporting your video. When you're happy with your project, click Export. Choose your preferred resolution. For YouTube, 1080p is usually the best choice. Wait for the rendering process to finish. Your video is now ready to upload. Bonus tips. Here are a few beginner tips. Keep your edits simple. Use consistent fonts and colors. Don't make text too small. Keep background music low. Save your project regularly. Watch the full video before exporting. Use high-quality footage whenever possible. These small habits make a big difference. And that's everything you need to know to start editing videos with Microsoft Clipchamp. Now you can import footage, trim clips, add text, transitions, music, effects, and export professional quality videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials. If you have any questions about Clipchamp, leave them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.